we're going to make the roasted peanuts in the microwave in 2.5 minutes. So here the peanuts I spread evenly. I never apply any oil, nothing. I just take this one on the microwave, put the peanuts inside, on for 1 minute first, for 1 minute. It's 1 minute. I'm not going to take out, I'm just going to put the hand. Just change some position, set it again, and then close back, again on, for second time. So here is the second minute. It's almost cooked, but another 30 seconds. And spread it. I'm going to off in 30 seconds. And here 30 seconds done. I'm going to off. So total 2.5 minutes. Take the cloth and then pick it up. Be careful, it's quite hot. And our roasted peanuts are ready to eat. A hot one. You can use it for nasi lemak. You can use it as a TV snack. It's very healthy, without oil, very nutrition. Thank you. Bye.